Welcome back. Today we are taking down, well, we are going to attempt to take down that tree right there. All right, rope's up there. Maybe a case of just getting it to wiggle to get it come down. As feared slightly, the Kubota just got pulled forward. We're now pulling directly back of the tree. If this doesn't work, I have one more thing I'm gonna try. One more thing to try. All right, last attempt. Tied the rope to the trailer hitch on the Kubota, and I'm just gonna send it a couple times and see if I can just brute force it out of the tree. New plan to get the tree that is stuck up there out is we're going to use this tree to smash it down. It should hit it with some force because yanking on it was not moving it. Finally, when in doubt, smash it out. Oh, that is some. I am not proud of that cutting. I was rushing. I'm not going to show you it, but I'm going to cut that a little bit so I get it on the ground. Okay, that's it, we're done. That was awful. Not proud of it at all. But I did get it down, and I was able to cut the ends over there back, so nothing is dangling over that trail. Still can't get my rope out, but if I come back with a pole saw, I can work on cutting this end, get that end lighter, and I might be able to pull it off again. But I spent far too long on this. I should have given up hours ago and got something else done, but that path is safe to walk on now. Bring extra wedges. Always bring extra wedges. If you got 3 in your pouch, bring another 6, because you never know when you're gonna frig up your back cut and have a downward angle, and you're worried because it's got a little bit of a back lean. It's rotted on the backside, and there's a power line behind you. So yeah, I mean, good result, not a good execution. Well, I have some positive and negative news. The positive news is this tree is down. The other tree is, I cut that one down. We're safe, we're good. I don't have to worry about this tree hanging up in the air. I can get my rope back. The bad news is I wasn't recording when it came down. I was kind of cutting limbs at the far end with a pole saw as far away as I could be. I didn't think it was going to budge. I just figured maybe next time it'll fall down. Walked away for a second and then heard a crash and it came down. So finally, victory. Persistence and stupidity will win out against a tree, I guess. But it's down, it's safe, we're good. Just didn't get it on video, because that would have been awesome to see that come down. But oh well. If you enjoyed this video, check out this video right here. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Let's try and untie this knot now.